So you, in order to put to wear the veil, you do it with a big part of the veil in front of you. You put the veil, then you bring the ropes down to this little ring in here, pass them through it, and then go back and tie. Ready.